The 10,000 steps a day challenge has become a popular fitness goal for many. But have you ever wondered where it all began? The concept actually traces back to Japan in the 1960s. A company launched a pedometer called Monpiquet, which translates to 10,000 steps meter. They marketed it as a way to promote walking and a healthier lifestyle, and it caught on like wildfire. Since then, it's evolved into a global movement, encouraging people to get up and move. So, what's the big deal about 10,000 steps? Research shows that walking can significantly improve cardiovascular health, boost mood, and even aid in weight management. It's a simple yet effective way to incorporate physical activity into our daily routines. Just think about it. Walking is low impact, requires no special equipment, and can be done almost anywhere. I decided to take on the challenge myself last year. At first, I thought, 10,000 steps? That sounds easy. But let me tell you, it was a real eye-opener. I started tracking my steps with a fitness app, and I quickly realized how sedentary my lifestyle had become. On days when I was busy, I barely hit 5,000 steps. It was a wake-up call. As I committed to this challenge, I found creative ways to increase my step count. I took the stairs instead of the elevator, parked further away from stores, and even went for evening walks. It became a fun game to see how many steps I could rack up. I also discovered that walking with friends made it more enjoyable. We'd chat, laugh, and before we knew it, we'd hit our goal without even realizing it. The health benefits were undeniable. I felt more energetic, my mood improved, and I even lost a few pounds. I remember one day, I was feeling particularly stressed, so I decided to take a long walk in the park. The fresh air and movement cleared my mind, and I returned home feeling rejuvenated. I also spoke to others who took on the challenge. One friend shared how walking helped her manage anxiety. She found that stepping outside for a quick walk during her lunch break made a world of difference in her productivity and mental clarity. Another friend, who had struggled with weight for years, told me that hitting 10,000 steps daily became a cornerstone of her weight loss journey. It wasn't just about the numbers. It was about building a healthier lifestyle. Of course, it's important to remember that 10,000 steps isn't a one-size-fits-all goal. For some, especially those just starting their fitness journey, it might be more realistic to aim for a lower number and gradually increase it. The key is to find what works for you and to make movement a regular part of your day. In the end, the 10,000 steps challenge isn't just about hitting a number. It's about creating a habit of movement, connecting with others, and discovering the joy of being active. Whether you're walking alone or with friends, every step counts toward a healthier you. So why not give it a try? You might just find that it transforms your day-to-day life in ways you never expected.